Oh, judgment energy. Looks like someone here na meron ng ending. I'm seeing dalawang Roman numeral number 10. Meron ng ending pero gusto ulit ng new beginning. But I think this is also coming up with a decision right here. That is what your angels and guides wants you to know. Do not worry, we're gonna get more informations about that. Parang meron ditong desisyon na kailangan kang gawin at hindi ito basta-basta desisyon lang. Isa itong I'm seeing a huge ball. It looks like a rock. So, parang isa itong malaking decision, no? Okay? Malaking decision na gagawin mo. Let us see what's really happening here for you guys. This might be challenging. And I saw the Six of Cups might be related sa iyong nakaraan. Okay. Let us see more. Ooh. Nice. Wow. Wow. I'm seeing a lot of gold tones right here, mga babes, no? Here's the challenge that I'm picking up. There's a big decision na kailangan mong gawin. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Have here this Eight of Coins, Lovers, and the Three of Coins energy. So, hi and hello there, collective. Thank you so much for always being here with me in the channel, babes. Yan, no, hi and hello new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So, wala po tayo ditong gender, bahay, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung roles if you want. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will with you. So, yun nga mga babes, no, wala tayo dito na time period. So, pwedeng ito ay tapos na rin nangyari na. Sa iba naman nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. At sa iba naman ay isang prediction sa inyong future. So, sino ba dito mga babes, no? Ang gusto ng financial blessings, no? Taas ang hiniliit sa paa. So, nakikita ka dito mga babes, no? Na higit pa ito sa pagkapanalo, no? Sa mga lottery or whatever, no? Na mga patimpala, contest at kung ano-ano pa, no? Nakikita ko rito na bibiyayaan ka, no? Ng financial blessings na hindi mauubos at magiging permanente sa buhay mo, no? Sa lahat ng Eight of Cups energy, tingnan mo ito. Napakaganda na mapakita ko sa inyo. Yun, no? Ang daming mga chalices rito, no? At ang daming mga ginto gold coins. May malaking bahay din in the background. May suot ka rin na jewelry, no? Ang laki ng stone, no? At meron dyan, nakita mo yun, no? Merong sa background, may two lovebirds, no? Meron kang kaing relationship and you're both kissing right here, sharing beautiful, sweet moments. And with that teddy bear, this is something here that you will feel really young, no? Na parang ito yung klase ng life na bet mo, no? And ito ay malinaw, no? Ng Eight of Cups energy sa lahat ng mga tarot deck. Itong Eight of Cups energy dito sa deck na ito ay ang pinakamagandang deck. Yan, no, card dito, no? With the Eight of Cups, financial blessings are yours. Big house, big home, that desiring na love and commitment right here, serious commitment here with someone, and overflowing blessings are coming your way. Okay? But with this Wheel of Fortune right here in reverse, you need to make a decision right here. Papakita ko lang na gaganto ko lang muna mga babes na para makita mo. Tingin mo yun sa ibabaw, no? May mga anghel dyan. 'Di ba? At sa ilalim ay may mga alagad at kampo ng demonyo. May mga devils, 'di ba? At pansinin mo, ibalik ko na lang kasi ganito ninyo nakuha yan, 'di ba? Reverse. So, ibig sabihin ang nasa ibabaw ay ang mga devils or ang alagad ng mga demons, no? Mga demons. Nakita ko rito mga babes, no? Na ibig sabihin nito, no? The challenge here is kung gusto mo ng financial blessings, no, at ng maganda at namumukadkad na pag-ibig na walang hanggan, kagaya ng mga sinabi ko kanina, no, you need to, yan, no, you need to reject someone here. Hindi lang basta reject na sinabi mo lang, kailangan mo rin siyang i-reject sa iyong isipan. Ibig sabihin, wag mo siyang isipin ever. Kailangan mo rin siya rito, mga babes, so natanggalin na sa iyong feelings and emotions, no? Yung pagmamahal siguro napalitan na ng galit, pero yung galit kailangan mo ring alisin, no? Yun yung pinaka-challenge na lumalabas dito. Bakit miss yan? The challenge here, before you receive this financial overflowing blessings, no, na meron pang bonus na everlasting love for you guys, no, your ex will come back right here with this part of the reading. Page of Cups energy, and there's the Seven of Swords. Your ex will come back at siya, mga babes, no, yung tinutukoy dito na big decision na kailangan mong gawin, sweetheart. It only means that you need to reject this person right here, no, because this offer, yan, no, meron kasi ditong pagbabalik eh. No? Pansinin mo yung dala niyang petals, no, naglalaglagan lahat mga babes, no. So, itong person na to, no, hindi talaga sigurado ang dahilan kung bakit siya magbabalik sa buhay mo. At pansinin mo naman naglalaglagan na petals na yun, hindi yan yung she loves me not. He loves me, he loves me not, no? But look at that, no? If it is also connected to that, no? See, hindi niya rin alam yung sarili niya ritong own feelings and emotions, no? Basta babalik lang siya rito, pero tingnan mo naman yung Seven of Swords energy na yan. This person here, no, will just took away your chance of this receiving financial blessings, the love of your life talaga na i-enter sa buhay mo, yan yung tatangayin niyang opportunity sa'yo if you will allow this person here na mamayani, okay, or makipagbalikan sa kanya, no, mawawala ang opportunity ng financial blessings na yan, no. At nakita ko rito, no, na itong klase ng energy na to, no, ay kailangan mo ritong itaboy. Hindi lang basta ire-reject mo siya, kundi kailangan hindi mo na rin siya isipin or maisip, no. Kailangan hindi mo na rin siya rito, kung may feelings ka pa sa kanya, kailangan mo na itong alisin at i-wash out, no. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito na kailangan na hindi mo na siya isipin sa iyong thoughts, no? At hindi mo na rin dito kailangan na makaramdam ng galit sa kanya. Like wala ka na talagang dapat maramdaman. Yun yung challenge mo. You need to release every emotions, no? Kahit yung galit, no? Lahat-lahat. Yung as in, yung wala ka na talagang pakialam, no? Wala ka na talagang pakialam. Yung hindi ka na rin galit, no? Sa kung ano man. Yung wala ka ng pakialam. Ganun yung dapat na mangyari rito for you to receive this overflowing. Naku, ang dami-daming biyaya dito mga babes. Naman yan, no? Ang dami rito mga overflowing abundance, kasaganahan, yan, no? Sunod-sunod na taon na meron ditong laman na masasarap na mga pagkain sa iyong mesa or kaya mong bumili ng pagkain na gusto mo. Yan, no? Your business will definitely grow and will attract more customers and clients if you have business or if you have your work will be doing great right here. You will get noticed, getting recognition. You will meet the quota if you have quota right here, and you will meet and marry the love of your life. This is not King Midas, but you will marry ang isang taong mataas, mataas na tao itong nakikita ko rito na pakakasal sa'yo. And yung iba sa inyo, Maaaring ibang lahi ito but doesn't have to be. Pero itong tao na 'to 'no, with a lot of gold 'no, sa kanyang paligid 'no, mayaman ito, 'no. Successful siya, ang gulo na ng mesa natin pero kiber lang. Mag-focus na lang tayo sa mensahe mga babes 'no. So nakikita ko dito 'no, na meron dito na mas higit pa sa lottery 'no, basta tanggihan mo na itong tao na 'to na bumabalik sa buhay mo na 'yan 'no, dahil ang kanyang i-o-offer ay katiting lamang 'no, at wala pa doon sa 1% 'no, ng malalaking paparating sa'yo, babes 'no. Tignan mo naman 'yan, 'di ba? Titigan mo, 'di ba? Ang ganda. So nakikita ko dito na magbabago ang buhay mo, 360 degrees turn of events. But you need, mga babes 'no, na i-reject ang lahat ng may kinalaman sa iyong ex 'no, pati yung kanina, okey? Not just rejecting na, "Ayaw na kita makita sa buhay ko," like hindi, okey? You need to release every anger at kung may love ka pa para sa kanya, you need to wash out 'yan, ano. At nakikita ko rito na magtutuloy-tuloy ang pasok ng blessings kapagka blinak mo na itong person na 'to 'no, sa iyong life 'no. Physically, mentally, emotionally, like wash out na lahat 'no, itong person na 'to 'no, and you will gain victory. Dapat matagal mo nang na-receive 'tong financial blessings and all of this beautiful love and connection relationship, eh, oh. Dapat matagal na kayo nagkakilala nito, paulit-ulit lang nade-delay dito kasi yung iba sa inyo maaaring galit pa kayo sa ex ninyo, yung iba sa inyo puwedeng may konti pa kayong natitirang pagmamahal para sa ex ninyo, at yung iba sa inyo paminsan-minsan iniisip niyo pa rin siya 'no. Universe right here is giving you this challenge. You need to release every you need to cleanse your energy about your ex 'no. Kinakailangan 'no mga babes 'no, na kalimutan ninyo ng bonggacious ang ex ninyo. Do it right now 'no, so that the wheel will start turning like this. And then look at those angels with the butterflies as the strongest symbols of changes in your life 'no. This is a wheel. Umiikot 'yan 'pag pinagulong, okey? This is now your time to decide for yourself. You want this, I know. This is what you deserve, I know. Okay? But here's your challenge. Do it now, babe. Because I'm seeing that a lot of you, ang tagal na dapat na nakuha niyo itong bagay na 'to. Victory is still yours if you only do it properly. Do it right now. Shadow work. What is that, Miss Yan? Shadow work. Heal yourself. Cleanse your energy. Do not think about your ex anymore. Okay? You need to cleanse all of your thoughts about your ex. Doesn't have to be na kailangan magka-amnesia ka or whatever. No, yeah, acknowledge the naging kilala mo siya, no? What I'm trying to say is that spirits are saying you need to move on from this person here. Diba? You need to move on. Like, kasama na rin dun yung hindi ka na nabibwisit sa kanya or hindi ka na nagagalit 'pag naririnig mo yung pangalan niya or whatever, like wala na. Wala ka na talagang nararamdaman 'no, then saka papasok itong mga 'to, 'no. Look at this is so beautiful. I'm seeing you working, both of you are working in a relationship with the right person, you know. See? Parehas ninyong wini-work out ang connection mo with your love of your life. This King of Coins energy is the love of your life here. Okay? At parehas ninyong i-work out ang inyong connection. Yan o. See? Look at that. See? Magkaiba ang inyong kasuotan dito na sa maaring you're dealing here with a foreigner or coming from a different country or dun siya lumaki pero maaaring parehas kayo ng pinagmulang bansa. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na kung sino man tong energies na nakaka-resonate dito, after mong gawin to, financial blessings will flow. Okay? The energy of money will flow in your life. The love energy na deserve mo at talagang meant for you will start flowing in your life, no? Make this wheel turn upright, mga babes, no? You have the power to create your own world. You want it? Okay? You want it, you got it. Diba? You want it, you got it. Look at those coins right here. Look at those blessings. Look at those beautiful love connection in the background. I'm seeing you building a life. Pares kayong team payaman at yayaman kayo lalo nitong person na to with your King Midas right here or your Queen Midas. Wala tayong gender dito, but you will definitely live in luxury, babes. You will definitely live the life that you want, buying the things that you want, even those expensive things. If you want to buy a yate, you can buy it na. No? So whatever the case may be, you can buy even a lot, even a house and a lot, even a building. You can definitely have it. You want it, you got it. Diba? So, gaano kaganda yun, no? This is not just so promising right here. The decision is nasa mga kamay mo. At marami-rami sa inyo ang nakikita kung para sa inyo to, no? Don't miss this opportunity right here. Six of Wands, this is a long victory, no? A long battle right here, no? But the victory is yours now. Make a decision, make a bold movement, claim this, okay? Because the universe is offering you this. The challenge is someone from the past will come back in your life, okay? But you need to cut that person out, okay? Not just by words, but rin sa iyong isipan, sa puso mo, no? At sa iyo ritong mental, no? Physical, yan, and emotional, no? Lahat-lahat na. No, you need to release that person so that things will start moving fast. Blessings will now pour into your life. So how beautiful is that? Very beautiful, of course. Very awesome. Okay? Very amazing, isn't it? Diba? So yeah, claim these beautiful messages right here, no? Sisiw lang yan. Ex mo lang yan. Diba? I know you can do it, no? Remember that. You want it, you got it. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much. Sarang heyo, love in light. Annyeong.